shit! Oh my god, your eyes is twitching, bro. Hey, had to jinx her. Oh shit! Yo, homie just crashed. Yo, he tried showing off. Huh?
I'm super okay. I live right here.
You drunk, bro?
You with me, my man?
What?
You with me, bro?
Yeah, bro.
To my home. My kid is gonna be right there. My car, okay?
You got a boy to come get this shit to say he drove?
¿Cómo?
One of your friends, amigo, to drive.
No, one of my friends can drive by.
Damn.
I saw you move, but you were in the right lane.
No, dude.
And then he
so
cut across in front of you.
No, he did so good. I apologize. I went out.
Nah, you good. Nah, you ain't do nothing wrong, bro. I'm chilling. Bro, you ain't hit me. I'm good. I feel bad for you.
Yeah.
Bro, that's no worries.
I'm so fucking mad right now, bro.
It's alright though, bro. At the end of the day, you got insurance?
Oh, of course I have it.
Yeah, you good then. That's it.
Baby, I'm sorry, buddy.
Yeah.
If you not drunk or high, call the cops.
Cops, yeah. Tell him
You are?
something drove out on you and you had to
Wait,
swerve.
you are?
That's it. Well,
Okay, then you need to call Buddy and come.
Come get it.
In my helmet right there, bro.
If it starts, get it up the fucking hill. Cause on this road, there's cops, bro.
Yeah, did it,
Okay. Fluid. Oh, he hit the wall. Damn. This whole wall.
You know, this is not the first time somebody hit this wall.
For real?
They just rebuilt it. They just rebuilt this fucking wall.
I think.
Drive it up the hill into your place. try to turn it off and turn it back on. I don't know what you.
Okay.
Turn it off. Stop. Turn it off. You're gonna blow your engine. Turn it off. 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 Don't start it. You might be out of oil, bro.
I can't be here, bro. I let you, my man.
Of course, but that's what we're here for.
You, bro.
That's the
Thank
only
you,
way
sir,
you're
for
gonna go.
somebody just passed so fucking fast and I have to.
Yeah.
God bless you, my man. Stay
Let me see. Ready? Ready? Hold on. Follow up. Oh my God, your eyes is twitching, bro. Walk in a straight line. Walk in a straight. You good? Walk in a straight line though.
You wanna put me in YouTube, my man?
I got to.
God bless you.
But walk in a straight line though, bro. No. Foot after foot. Foot after foot. Let's see it. No. Foot after foot. Look like this. Call somebody right now. Yeah.
Do the claim.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. God bless you, my man. I got it.
Yeah, but you need someone to call before you leave your car.
No, I got it. Got the mic.
That's my car? Hell yeah. We got a new whip, bro. Hey, we in the Hondeezy. Damn, his cup gone. Yo, he's got liquor in the car. Oh my God. He just left this shit. What he got in here?
Cop, let's go.
I ain't do nothing.
Oh, that's true. Police.
We ain't do nothing.
Yeah.
He's running. He's running. Damn, bruh. Nah, I ain't call.
Yeah, I don't know how 911 hang up call from DC. Who's in this car?
I don't know. It just hit the wall. I ain't no snitch. He ain't get me. Someone called you? Damn. That's just crazy. I don't know. The dude ran away. That's what I'm saying. That shit was crazy.
Were you driving another motorcycle?
Yeah, my bike's right there.
Oh, okay.
I ain't drive this. Nah.
Was this just here or?
Nah, some dude hit and then seen him run, but I don't know where he went to. What we got in there? Bicycle? They were probably like, I'll figure it out in the morning. That's y'all job now.
Yeah, no, we gonna.
Damn, they must have called the cops and said y'all can deal with it. I know. I ain't tell him nothing. I just said some dude crashed him. Well, not his phone. So your phone tells when you're in an accident.
Yeah, because it
And it's you're just gonna track it right to his phone too.
because the person's calling him back.
But that dude is so like there's liquor in the cup.
Oh shit, he's charged. He's get charged with fleeing.
Oh yeah, fleeing.
They're on the tag. He's going to the address.
Oh look.
He's going to the address.
Yo, I want to go up there. I want to go.
He's good. Okay, he's going to the address.
Yo, he's gonna get him. Should I go follow him?
Nah.
Yeah, I gotta see this. He had to be in here. We're on a mission. We're gonna find him. Oh damn. Does he live here?
Yeah, he lives here.
Oh shit.
Do you know him by any chance?
Nah. He just ran. And I see you. I was like, where'd he go?
Yeah, I'm gonna try to make contact. See if he's here.